Good evening. Ready for some prime time trivia? I hope so. Well, how many of you are there? Two of you. How very cozy. That's great. Thank you. Is this the first time? Ah, yes, they always come back. Player one, may I have... Perfect, thank you. What about your name, player two? Ah, Tricky Dick. Welcome. Just Hello. Welcome to the ride. It is so refreshing to meet someone who still believes in that old honor among thieves cliche. They're gonna eat you alive down where I'm taking you. How many contestants? You have just pressed the number 2, and I will take note of that. Is this the... Well then, you won't be needing any more new instructions. It must be nice to know it all before you've even begun. Go ahead, player 1. Okay, that's fine. Let's have your name now. Thank you. Here are the keys you will be using to buzz in. And now, it's time for the best part of the ride. Remember, you're always getting closer to the bottom.
It's time for the show where high culture and pop culture collide. This episode of You Don't Know Jack, The Ride, is brought to you by Screaming Mimi Car Alarms. Your car's always in danger, so Screaming Mimi Car Alarms stay on all the time. And now, here's your host, the one, the only, Cookie!
All right, welcome to the show, Sticky Fingers. I guess you don't mind doing the crime, so let's see if you can do the time. Time for some screws. Just a reminder, you gotta be heartless with these screws. Keep hitting that S key like there's no tomorrow. All right, watch out for hitchhikers and other petty criminals. Let's ride. Okay, player 1. This one's called The Dog Licks Crime Because He Can. What do we got here? 3,200 and change? All right, let's do it. If you do what McGruff the player 1, hit it. Take a bite out of crime.
Give me your money, now! Hey, you ripped my new gabardines!
Player 1. You know, why don't you just punch yourself in the face for good measure? Well, anyway, here's your category. If I could keep crime in a bottle. You know how on Valentine's Day people give chocolates wrapped in heart-shaped boxes? Well, what did Al Capone have wrapped up in boxes on Valentine's Day 1929? 2 of his brothers. Take a shot, player.
Put your hands up and drop the cash!
Player 1, it's yours if you want. All yours, player. On Valentine's Day 1929, Al Capone's gunmen killed 7 members of a rival gang.
Look, hon, I brought you something.
Ah! They're dead! Ooh, and this one is coconut.
Player 1, we're calling this one The Perpetrator Drowns His Victims in Milk. Uh-oh, there's a serial killer on the loose. Let's check out the suspect's profile, and you be ready to type in your answer when you know who it is. Suspect is a bird with large striped beak. Location unknown, but reports indicate he follows his nose. Cheap plastic toy offered as reward for information leading to his arrest. Who's the serial killer? Go for it, player 2.
Please, anything but the china! Damn you to hell!
Player 1, you can take it. Don't let me down.
Nope.
Too bad you didn't type this. Toucan Sam is the cereal mascot with the large striped beak who follows his nose. And so far, he's got the cops completely stymied. I mean, he's running Fruit Loops around him. Okay, player 2, grab it. It's dead, it's disgusting, it's roadkill. Remember to be the first to buzz in when you see the answer that unites the pair of items on the screen. And don't forget, figure out the final bonus question, and I'll give you some extra cash. Can you say greased lightning? Just checking. Here we go. Billy who played Harry and blank light drink. What's the common link between these two? Score! John Oswald and Notorious Idaho Ridge. Score! Janis Joplin's nickname and Hawaiian Harbor. Black Magazine and Aircraft. Win the Fiorentino flick and make cynical. Score! City in Oz and Leprechaun's Isle. Baseball field and Lou Blank Phillips. Okay then, bonus. What do all the correct answers have in common? Are they all Pink Panther movies? Famous gangsters? Items you're allowed to steal? Types of jewels? That's the ticket, player 1. You got it, they're all jewels. Now here's some cash. Go pick yourself up a little something. Well, for the time being, player 1, you're on top. Player 1, buzz in and your category is... I'm gonna lick you, suck-up. And now, the question. If Kodak and LoJack player... Oh, you gotta answer it, player 2. 3, huh? Alright.
Who loves ya, baby?
No, you promised if I brought the car back, you wouldn't say that.
Kodak makes film for cameras, LoJack is the stolen vehicle recovery system, and Kojak's a TV cop. Hey, player 1, looks like you're the one who's screwed. All right, player... this could be lucrative. Here's your category. If you eat your fingers, you won't want dinner. Hey, how about that negative score, player 2? Imagine you're arrested right around dinner time. As the cops examine your fingerprints, they'll probably think of each of these foods except which. An Arch Deluxe, a bowl of Fruit Loops. Player 2, grab it! There are loops in fingerprints, unless a certain toucan I know kills them. Player 1, all yours, player 1. Fingerprints are studied according to their arches, loops, and whorls. There are no curlies involved. Besides, they'll see your curlies during the body cavity search. Player 1, you...
Bingo.
There was a guy who had no job, so stealing was his game. Oh, T-H-I-E-F, 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 and off they chopped his hand.
Welcome to Thief! Now remember, to win cash, buzz in when the first letter of the answer lights up. If you collect all 5 letters first, the bonus is yours. Here we go. to take money through intimidation. Next door. Bob Marley song covered by Clapton. Jamming. Show with Renko for a warm coffee. Nice work, Counselor. Washington's winter at Valley Plank. More serious than a misdemeanor. Felony. TV show where Laura Palmer's killed. Twin Peaks. One more letter for the real cash player one. Robert McCall is the blank. Blank till proven guilty. I'm innocent. There it is. Thief! Player one, you grab the bonus. So player one's in the lead. All right, let's see how long this lasts. Player two, okay, give it up for Riff. Russian is fundamental. Hey, player two, it looks like you're still in debt. Why don't you try playing without the blindfold? Which of these made-up TV shows would most likely have been created by Russian author? Player one. Raskolnikov is the main character in Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment. Oh yeah, you should see it. It's so funny when Spanky and the gang use an axe and just waste Mrs. Crabtree. Player one, it's up to you, Snick. Okay, nice shot. Here's your category. Prison jumpsuit orange is so not my color. So you call yourself a savvy criminal, huh? Well, how much do you know about interior decorating? Which of these would you not want to have to go along? Player one, you're screwed. What's the answer? So you pick three, huh? Okay. A sham? I hope you didn't claim to be good at this game. Make your move, player two. Player two, grab. No, you can match your skirt to your sheet. Just don't clash with the bars. It's so tacky. Here's the one you wanted. A chemise is not part of a bed linen set. It's a piece of women's clothing. Either way, once you and Bruno get going, it's gonna end up being kicked onto the floor. Okay, player two, what's this one gonna be worth? No, you gotta hit the P key. It's right next to O. Good pick, player two. All right, player two, you gotta dis or dat. Player one, you don't. And this dis or dat questions category is, do these tights make me look fat? Okay, I'm gonna rattle off the names of 7 superheroes, and for each one, I want you to tell me if they're a Marvel superhero or a DC comic superhero. You're gonna get some money for each right answer, and you lose cash for a wrong answer or any you don't get to. Okay, you got 30 seconds to nail all 7. And here we go. Superman, Marvel. Iron Man. Spider-Man. Batman. Hawkman. Aquaman. The X-Men. Only one wrong. Pretty damn good, cowboy. Let's toss that into your total. Well, for the time being, player one, you're on top. Player one, please buzz in and let us know how you do a lot worse than that. Let's check out your category. Using spandex to fight crime. All right, just in case you didn't get enough superhero action in the last question, I've got another one for you. See if you can complete this sequence. Jason Todd, Tim Drake, Carrie Kelly. Who completes the take a shot, please? Now, the only sequence she ever filled in is the crush I had in between Daphne from Scooby-Doo and, Jessica Rabbit. Player one, hit it. You know, for my money, there's none like the original Dick. All of these are names of characters in the Batman comics who have donned the ridiculous tights and color schemes of the Robin costume. Okay, player one, pick. The category is, am I still pregnant if the rabbit is executed? Here we go. Who framed Roger Rabbit, Benny the Cab, Eddie Valiant, Jessica Rabbit, or Buzz In! Buzz In! Player 1. Tasty. Gee, it wasn't too obvious, was it? I mean, is it the guy with the word Doom in his name, or one of the other nicer sounding people? Player 1. Wow, this clue is hot. Really? Check it out. You stole what? Well, let's see if you can steal a few bucks on this Jack Attack. Good luck. Hey, congratulations, Player 1. You beat someone with a negative score. Whoop-de-doo.